How to change password on Facebook. First of all, Facebook app and three dot icon. Tap to three dot icon and then setting and privacy. Scroll down and setting. Then your password and security. Password and security. Then you change password. Type factory and save login. Then change your tap to change your password. Current password, new password, and retype new password. Then first of all, your current password type now. Then scroll down and new password. And then scroll down and another retype new password.